Hello and welcome to this demo of Lydul. Today we will go over the field collaboration in Lydul. So we will use the desktop app, but it would work just the same way on an iPad or a mobile device. And feel free to pause this video to follow along on your own device step by step. And the first step is to go to Lydul.com and click on sign in or start now. And then to create an account. Then you can authenticate with your phone number. I will skip this step for now. But authenticating with your phone number will allow you to access your account from any device without remembering any password. We'll send you a one-time password to your phone number each time you want to authenticate. So Lydul works in a very similar way to apps such as Slack or WhatsApp or Jira or any social app or project management app. We allow users to create channels or chat groups and to invite users to collaborate together about that specific job. So let's go ahead and create our first job. So I added some details. I can now create the job. I will now invite some users, and inviting new users in Lydul is super easy. Let's just imagine that I can pull up Mike's mobile device. I will now scan the QR code and be able to join the invite from Mark. So that's it. Now that I invited Mike to my job, and we can see the same job that I invited him to. So Mike would not see any job that he was not invited to. So as you can see, a job looks pretty much like a thread where anyone can provide updates and progress and track progress. The first thing that I would do from Mike's device would be to clock in and then to provide some updates in the form of audio messages, photos, videos, tasks, or files. And I will let you explore this in another video. So with that said, you can see how easy it is to collaborate in the field with your crew members. If you haven't done so already, we invite you to go to Lydul.com and revolutionize your field collaboration across your company with your contractors and clients.